morning students. Today we will study about the divisibility of 6, 7 and 8. Understand? Because 2, 3, 4, 5 and almost 6 divisibility we all have studied. So today we have studied about the divisibility of 6, 7, 8. So now let us begin with the divisibility of 6. So a number is divisible by 6 if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. Understand? A number is divisible by 6 if the given number is divisible by 2 and 3 both. So this is the condition. If a number is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3, then only we can say that the given number is divisible by 6 also. Understand? For example, For example, 372. We have taken a number 372. Now what? We have to check first the divisibility of 2 and second the divisibility of 3. If the given number, that is 372, is divisible by 2 and also divisible by 3, then we can say that 372 will also divisible by 6. Understand? So now let us see. We know that in 372 the digit at the unit place is even number. Understand? That is 2. The digit at the unit place is 2. That is a even number. So we can say that because it has an even number, so it will divisible by 2. So it will divisible by 2. Understand? Now we will see the divisibility of 3. 372, we know that the divisibility of 3, what we have to do? We have to sum the digits and then we will see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So 3 plus 7 plus 2 will give us 12. And we know that 12 is divisible by 3. 12 is divisible by 3. We know that. So now what happens? Both the condition is now fulfilled. Now 372 is divisible by 2 also and also divisible by 3. Therefore, we can say that 372 is also divisible by 6. Understand? This is the answer. Is also divisible by 6. Understand? So take one more example. Let us take a number 7,51,024. Understand? 751,024. So now we have to check whether the number is divisible by 6 or not. So again what happens? We will first check the divisibility of 2 and divisibility of 3. So here what we have? In the last we will have a even number. In the last, that means unit digit, we have even number. So we can say that it is divisible by 2. We can say that. Then we will have this number. What we have to do? We have to sum the digits. Will give us 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 plus 7 14 plus 5 21. Understand? So we all know that 21 is also divisible by 3. Understand? 7 plus 5, 12, 12 plus 1, 13 plus 2, 15. Sorry, 13 plus 2, 15 plus 4, 19. It will give us 19, not 21. It will give us 19. So 19 is not divisible by 19 is not divisible by 3. It will not be divisible by 3. Understand? So we can say that one condition is now fulfilling and second condition is not fulfilling. So then we can say that the number 751024 is not divisible by is not divisible by 6. Understand? So now see divisibility of 7. Now we will see the divisibility of 7. Understand? So what happens in the divisibility of 7? What happens? Let us consider a number in which what we will see that if our number is divided into blocks of 3, if the number is divided into blocks of 3 digits, understand? If a number is divided into block of 3 digits, then what we will do? We will sum the blocks of the digit and then make a difference. Now see further what we have to do. You can understand more by the example. So directly we will see the example. Understand? You can understand it more by the example. Let us take a number 473532 11272. Now what we have to do? See, this is a number. Understand? And we have to check the divisibility of 7. So what we will have to do? We have to make the block of 3 digits. Understand? We have to make the block of 3 digits, and from where we have to make? We will make it from the end point. That means from the last digit. Understand? We will make it from here a 3-digit block. Understand? Like this. I have made a block. In that block we have 272. That means 3 digits. 2, 7 and 2. 272 in one block. Then what we will leave the another 3 number. Understand? We will leave the another 3 number. That means 911 will be left out. And then we will make another block. In that block what we will have? We will have 532. What we will have? We will have 532. Understand? So we will add the digits on the block. That is 532 will be added to 272. The result will be 804. The result is 804. Understand? Now what we will do? The number which is left out. We will add those number also in another column. 911 plus 47 give us 958. It will give us 958. Understand? Now what we will do? We will subtract the result of these additions. What we will do? We will subtract it. Understand? Then we have to subtract 958 is subtracted out from 804. Understand? We will subtract the number. Understand? Subtract the number. We have to subtract it. What we will have? The result? 154. We will have result 154, and we know that 154 is divisible by 7, and we know that 154 is divisible by 7. Therefore, we can say that given number is divisible by 7. The given number is divisible by 7. Understand? So this is the case of 7. What we have to do? We have to make the block of 3 digits. We have to make the block of 3 digits from the end position, from the last position of the number. We will make a block. Then what happens after making a block of 3 digits? Next 3 digits we will leave. Next 3 digits we will leave. Then again we will make a block. Then again we will make a block. And what happens? The digit in the block will be then added. The digits in the block will be added. And the digits which are left out, we will have to add it also. We will add them also. Understand? After adding, what happens? The result will be subtracted out. The result will be subtracted out. Understand? And the result which will get after subtracting, what happens? We have to see whether that difference is, the resultant is divisible by 7 or not. The resultant means the subtraction of the digits, that is resultant, is divisible by 7 or not. If the number is divisible by 7, then we can say that the given number is also divisible by 7. So it is bit more tougher. What you have to do? You have to practice it more. Understand? Now let us take one more example. Understand? Let us consider one more example. Six eight zero 5793 5793 192 192. Understand? 6805793 192. What we will do? Again, we will see the number and make a block of 3 digits. Then we will leave the number 3 digits. Then we will make a block of 3 digits. Understand? Like this. And what we will do? We will add the number given in the block. That is 805 will be added to 192. Understand? So result will be 997. Understand? Now the digits which are left out, 793 plus 6. What happens? Now we will plus 6. Only we have here we have only one digit left. We do not have 3 digits like this. So what is remaining, that is only we will add. Understand? 793 plus 6 equals to 799. Understand? Now what? We will subtract it. 997 minus 799. That we have to do. Eight, then 9, 198. 198 is the result. And we know that 198 is not divisible by 7. Is not divisible by 7. Understand? So we can say that the given number is also not divisible by 7. Understand? Also not divisible by 7. Understand? So this is the divisibility of 7. Understand? Now what? The divisibility of 8, 9 and 10. The divisibility of 8, 9 and 10 we will study in our next lecture. Understand? So 8, 9, 10 and 11. So till here I have explained you all what you all have to do. You all have to check you all have to open your books and see the divisibility where it is given. Read those divisibility along with the examples. Understand? And do few questions from the examples in your rough copy. Understand? So it will help you to understand it more better how to do these questions. Understand? Because many times I have told that divisibility is very important. It will very helpful for you if you will able to understand the divisibility. It will be very helpful for you all to know whether the given number is divisible by the asked number. Understand? So it is very important. So all of you do this from your example first. Next 8, 9, 10 and 11 we will took in our next lecture. Thank you.